How you doing? How you been? As you can see, I have a different background, different desk, and today I'm just going to be getting I titled this video as a mystery unboxing because some of the stuff in here is a mystery. I've gotten like quite a few gifts from like my auntie and stuff like that, and my family, and it's just been sitting here accumulating, and they've just been waiting for me to come out here to to open it all up. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm also going to include some books that I got from my previous job. What they had was they would give you like prop points, and you can use that either towards getting like a new appliance, or if you want, there's books, so you can use those prop points for books. So I got quite a few books over the past couple months. I don't remember what books I got, so that's where the mystery comes in, kind of. But yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. The first thing, this one is not really, packaged to where I can't see what it is, but it's basically just like a bunch of like fans, like a big one, a medium, a small one, and what it says is, always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. And I'm pretty sure that I got this is from like my auntie Michelle, because she asked me at Kaya's party like if I received the gifts yet. So I'm pretty sure this is a part of it. Then the next obvious gift is this stand. I'm not using this tripod right now. I'm using the tripod that I had got from Walmart a couple months back. This tripod, my dad actually took it, so it's empty right now, so I have to get that back from him. But yeah, my sister Kaya gifted me that, and this is what I'm most excited for, because this is this is the rest of the stuff from my auntie Michelle. So let's get into it. Okay, well, first you can already see this is a long sleeve collared button up, or button down, whichever one you call them. Surprisingly, I really like this. Like, I don't really have a lot of button downs that I wear as actual shirts. I usually just wear them as like outerwear. But this one is really cute. I really like the detailing with the leaves and the coconuts. Ooh, I'm already, just looking at it from here, I can already tell I'm going to be in love with this. Just look at that, like not the colors themselves, but just like the pattern itself. Beautiful. I'm thinking this is like a dress or something. Oh. Ah. It got it got shoulder pads in it. Okay, so either this is like a wrap dress, because I see the string, or no. I'm so confused. Under construction. Let's try this on actually real quick. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's a robe. Ooh. This is nice. Cute, cute. So this is by far my favorite item right now. So yeah, that is a robe. To be honest, I might even wear that as like a long cardigan or something. And it looks like there's two more, looks like button down shirts. So I'm more excited for this one. Just looking at it like from like this standpoint, it's kind of giving like bowling. Like, I don't know. Yeah, this makes me want to go bowling, even though I hate bowling because my thumbnails, no matter how short I cut them, my nail will always like rip onto like the flesh part, and it hurts so bad. So yeah, you'll never catch me bowling. It really looks like a bowling shirt, like. But I don't know, it also is kind of giving like, I think it's 70, maybe. I'm not really good with my errors, but somewhere over there is, so I can make it work. I can make it work. Okay. Is this a two-piece set? A two-piece set? Okay. Okay, just a regular blue button down. And okay. It's literally the same shirt. Another blue button down. Yeah. No difference. It's the exact same shirt. Okay. Maybe I could find somebody who would like to twin with me. I don't know. But that looks like that was pretty much it from my Auntie Michelle. Now we're going on to the books.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay. So I got the Feng Shui for wellness and wealth. Dang, it took me a while. Simple Feng Shui tricks for personal and professional success, health, money, and happiness with Feng Shui tips for work and home. Okay. Yep, I'm gonna need to look into that because I definitely need to improve my Feng Shui. The next one. These things is glued tight. Okay. Oh, so this was the last book that I got before I left. My supervisor, my past supervisor, he was amazing. He still is amazing. He asked me, he was like, if I gave you like 83 prop points or something, would you be able to get another book before you go? And I was like, yeah, that'd be more than enough. I'd be able to get a book. And I was thinking about this forest bathing book that I wanted to get. But then I was like, I already have a forest bathing book. And this one, just like when I went to go to like the book section, it just popped up right away. And I was like, I love animals. I love learning about animals. I used to be obsessed with Animal Planet. So when I saw this, I had to get it. Like this looks so interesting. And I'm glad that it's pretty thick too, because let's see. Okay. So we get a little introduction, I think, on the person who created the book. Where's she at? Okay. Okay, so it's talking about the sister. So this is the sister of the author. And then here's like a little excerpts from the undergraduates over there. And then, yep, everything is an ecosystem. So it looks like we'll be talking about ecosystems first. And then, vertebrates versus invertebrates. Speaking of that, invertebrate zoology was my favorite class in college ever. Besides the Beyonce Catalyst that coming out. Anyway, but yeah, Beyonce Catalyst was number 2. Invertebrate zoology was number 1. My professor was amazing, and just learning about invertebrates he made it so cool, so interesting. We never had a boring moment in that class. So I'm really excited to get into this book. Okay, the next one is in this type of packaging. I didn't know. I didn't. The whole time, I thought like I didn't get this book, but I did. Oh my gosh. I hecka wanted to get this book, but when he gave me like the 80 prop points, I still had like 13 or something like that extra. So the 80 something plus the 13 was just enough for me to get that book. But then, like, this book was like 100 and something prop points, but I did not know that I got it. Oh my gosh. But it's basically, it says, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it says Kintsugi, Finding Strength and Imperfection. So it says heal your scars with gold. And let's see. Okay, so Kintsugi literally means golden joints. Is the ancestral Japanese art of repairing broken objects by highlighting their cracks with golden powder. I've seen them, like, seen videos of people doing that. It looks so cool. I wish, like, I forgot, I had like a broken teaspoon or something, and I was like, I wish I knew how to do that, because I would definitely repair this spoon. Can't wait to get into that. Then I got one more book. Okay, it's a thin one, so. Oh, okay. So then the last book I got was Dr. Sebi's Diet 101. So it says a beginner's guide on how to cleanse the body, detox the kidney, liver, reverse diabetes and high blood pressure, boost brain health naturally using the alkaline diet method. So I literally got this book mainly for the detoxify the kidney part. I was born with like an underdeveloped kidney, so I feel like me looking into this should at least help with, making sure that my other kidney isn't having to work super hard, and as well as my, underdeveloped kidney. I want to give it, just help it out, you know what I'm saying? So, yep, that was the last book. And then in this box, the last thing that I got with my prop points was a life straw. I had to go run some errands and stuff, so I didn't even get to finish it. But this is the second part, and I've gotten some new items. So my mom took the twins back to school shopping, and they went to the mall after they had their little tournament, and they actually got first place in that tournament. But she saw this and she thought I would like it, so it's like a long jacket, and then on this pocket it says self on the back, and then on this pocket it says unique. When she first handed it to me, all I saw was like this part, and at first I thought they were pants. I was like, that would be really cool, but it's a jacket. And then these are some like headbands, and those shirts that I got, those were not from my Auntie Michelle. Those were from my Poppy. He sometimes be buying shirts online, and he'll try to get them in like a 2XL, and then they'll come in looking like that. So yeah, my Auntie Michelle, when we had Kaya's birthday party at the house, she had gifted me this, which is I don't want the sprinkles to get everywhere. It's a candle cupcake. It's a cupcake candle. And then to start me off on my gardening journey, my mom got me some of these for seedlings. So got a whole pack of that. And then the last thing from them was this jewelry box in one of my favorite colors, and the inside has like a mirror, and then it has like 3 like removable sections. And so yeah, I'll show what that looks like in a little bit. Well, I'll insert the clip next of what it looks like on the inside. What you want, I get you what you want. But you want me alone. Maybe I'm acting. You held me up, but now I was holding out. And then from Kaya's actual birthday, when we went to Sacramento, when we went to that something exchange clothing, I had got some stuff. So I got this shirt. It's like a little see-through, and it's like, there you go. It's very mesh, and I don't know, the detailing on it is what made me get it. It's very loose fitting, which is perfectly fine. But I don't know, I feel like I could use this more in my cause I really like the alternative, some alternative fashion aesthetics. So I was thinking like maybe I can incorporate this in that with me, like, you know, trying to get into that. So that's why I got that. And then these pants, it's like I don't know, it's kind of similar to that corduroy material, but it just don't have the stripes in them. And it has like a little button on and a zip on the side. And this is the front, and then this is the back. I can't wait to wear these pants because these are giving like dark academia, which is like another aesthetic that I'm really interested in. So I'm excited to style these. And then the recycle thrift store that we went to that was like right next to the market. I got this cute scarf. I don't even wear scarves like that, but this scarf was way too cute to leave behind. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. And then the other two things I got from there were these, I think they're necklaces, but I'm going to be using them as like waist chains. And let's see, they were only $4, and this was $1. And then these pants were $3, and this top was $3. So like, I think it's supposed to be like worn like this or something. Something like that, I don't know. But it looks way better. Like, the only hard part is trying to get it clasped back on. But I'm gonna just go like this. So kind of like that. These pants are a little too big, so it's not gonna clasp, but you get the idea. So, and the crazy thing is they're literally the same exact design. But I just got one in gold and the other one is in silver. To be honest, I think these were like the most expensive things from there. Because these were $4. And everything else was below $4. So, yep. And then you can even, now I don't know who would want to wear a necklace that long, but yeah. Oh, it has two clasp on the end, so it's probably two necklaces in one. So then, the day before yesterday, we had to go to the beauty supply store to get the twins some hair because they're getting ready to go back to school. And so I got me this satin scarf. The reason why I got this one is one, I got quite a few animal print, items, and I really like this pattern right here. This little in the middle. So, and then the last thing I got was some vitamin E lip oil. But that was pretty much everything. I think
The lie detector test determined that was a lie.
I almost forgot, they gifted Sandy a new harness that fits her better, and it also helps with her pulling when we go on walks. Yeah, I don't have much else for this video, but I'll just see y'all in the next one. I don't want you in